preparing about the gap fasting month this year. You know what? Not moon, month.
Preparing about Ramadan. Should be better than last year. Make a lot of preparations, itineraries. What will I do this month, the following Ramadan? Like make goals to recite Quran every day and finish the whole Quran within 1 month.
MashaAllah.
And then gather in religious gathering in the afternoon at Daya.
Yeah.
And then attend social
Distancing.
attend social distancing.
Yep.
And also join iftar together.
Yep.
Iftar together. And also increase sadaqah.
MashaAllah.
Ramadan, because
La ilaha
Prophet
illallah.
Muhammad is very generous, but in Ramadan he is even more generous. And also give food to
Orphan
orphan.
people, Allahu Akbar. Abu Yatama.
And
Orphan father.
increase my knowledge,
MashaAllah.
not my knowledge.
Knowledge, not knowledge, right? Alright, keep going.
Also,
Knowledge.
sharing about Aceh history.
Yeah.
Improve knowledge about Aceh history with past teacher some software in around the world. And maybe attend, go to Campus Camp, Duai Makam, to see Lonely Mountain. Yeah, Duai Makam.
Mountain.
After that, of course, we need to follow the rules of the knowledge about fasting in Ramadan. What are the things that allowed and what are the things that forbidden? Do not drink during the day, eat during the day, or put something into holes of your body, like your ear, your nose, your mouth, with other holes in your body. And then pray Tarawih. If government forbid us to pray Tarawih together in the mosque, we can go to Daya, right? And pray together in Daya, and also we can pray together with friends, Tarawih friends, attend congregation without taking it on by praying alone. We can pray Jama'ah.
MashaAllah.
I think that's all for me.
Right, any question?